This summer, get ready for an exciting 2-week journey into the world of RISC-V Embedded Systems and industrial application development. We are pleased to welcome you all to Summer School 2024 starting from 12th of August by the Center for AI and Big Data here at Namal University Mianwali. This program offers a comprehensive training on real-time applications using RISC-V low-cost microcontrollers and high-performance single-board computers, hands-on sessions on simulation technologies like Chemo and Gem5, and real-world solutions to solve local industrial challenges with cutting-edge embedded systems. We have successfully completed 3 schools in the past with participation from both local and international industrial collaborators. During the school, you will have the opportunity to meet our experts not only in embedded computing but also from our cloud computing and bare metal computing teams. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link given below and enroll yourself to advance your expertise and make a real impact.